Igbo ekene m unu nke onye chiri ya zere. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my wonderful people, depending on where and when you are watching. In this class, I want to teach us how to communicate with people in Igbo markets. When you go to a market that is comprised of Igbo people, you need to speak Igbo in order to, get it cheaper or to feel among. Firstly, market is called ahia. Ahia is market. Then when you go to the market, you see somebody, you can greet the person, ndewo, that is greetings. Now you ask the person, do you sell salt, for instance? Do you sell salt? Salt is nnu. Selling is ire. Do you sell salt? In Igbo, ina ere nnu. Ina ere nnu. Ina ere nnu. I used to tell my students that Igbo language is all about learning those words bit by bit. When you learn them, you can be able to join them and make your sentence. In this case, ire means to sell. Nnu means salt. You can be able to join them together. Enaerennu, that is, do you sell salt? Then the person will tell you yes or no, that is or or mobu mba. Mob mba. Mba means no. Some people call it mba, some people call it So you see that the person tell you is yes, mba or is no. If the answer is yes, that is then you will go further to ask the person how much. Ego ole. Ego ole, that is how much. Ego ole. Then the person will give you his or her price. If you want to ask the person, is it fake or original? You will ask, obu adiboroja ka obu nke ezigbo ya. Fake is adiboroja. Fake is adiboroja. Original is nke ezigbo. So you ask the person, is it fake or original? Maybe the person will tell you it's original. But nobody will ever tell you that their markets or their goods are fake. Goods are ngwaahia. What goods are being called in Igbo is ngwaahia. Goods are ngwaahia. Price is ọnụahịa. Ọnụahịa, that is price. Goods are ngwaahịa. So when the person tells you that it's fake or original, you will now know the one to buy. We'll come back to teach you more. Thank you.